Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. I always say that. Oh, I'm going to talk about the habits of some singers, especially if you've been singing for a while or if you're new. So, and I guess maybe in between two, could be. 3 things. Number 1, the tendency happens is, I can sing this sentence, and it goes on, and you forget to breathe, and you need to take a big breath. So then what happens is, you breathe in the wrong spot. So you're going along, and then you've got to take a breath because you've made the sentences so long, you think, oh, I can do that. And it becomes a habit to do these long sentences. It becomes a challenge sometimes as you are singing longer and longer, and you go, hey, I can do that. So no, don't do that. Be comfortable. I will not grow weary long, though sometimes I do. I will not. Now maybe someone else would think, I don't have to take a breath there. I can show people that I can really go a long time. No, don't do that. Take a dumb breath, okay? Be comfortable. Make it comfortable for everybody. And also, that habit happens in the speaking voice also. And what happens is it goes down, guttural. And as you do that and you don't have enough breath, you can end up with a habit. So be very careful. Not long sentences, not if you don't have to. Remember, you're supposed to be giving them the whole idea, the meaning, the story behind what you're singing. Not impressing people of how long you can do a sentence, you know. Now, holding long notes, sometimes that's cool. Yeah. Then the style, I have number 2 is the style. Singing too long, or a lick, because you've got this style going. So one of my students was doing la da la da da, and she had to get the next sentence in, and so it was interrupting the whole essence, which is again to tell the story. And so yeah, do the lick, but cut it off. Make it reasonable. Also, again, the breathing. Breathing is so important. Remember, it's a lubricant. The voice is riding on that. So you want to have enough breath. You want to be comfortable again. And you want to tell the story. And number 3 is the key. A lot of times, well, it can be anywhere in your career, but a lot of times as a beginner, you think, I should be able to do it the way that the artist did it, and the song that, in a key that the artist did it. No, don't do it, because you're an instrument. Do it in the key that's comfortable. Yes, it's challenging and you think you need to meet the challenge. No, you need to sing it in the key that's comfortable for your instrument. So don't get caught up in what the artist did for the key. Don't do that. And then the other thing, actually there's 4 things here, is the style is exactly, that's the way the artist did it, so I've got to do it the way the artist did it. No, you don't. Don't do it. Do it your way. Regrets, I have a few. That was Mr. Frank Sinatra. He always did it his way. So do it your way. You need to change it up so it becomes your story. You're telling it. How are you going to tell that? Okay? So you need to do it very, very uniquely. The key has to be unique for you. Yes, your style, but don't let it interfere with the smoothness of the song and then the long sentences. Okay. If it's comfortable, if it's good, but if it isn't, and then it's going to trip you up and make you breathe in a wrong spot, then don't do that. You don't have to. Remember, your comfort is going to come and be relayed to the people that are listening to you, or not. Okay? So, subscribe. Please subscribe. Leave some comments. I love you. That's about it, guys. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye. 'cause it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah.